green. Magdilang anghel sana ako Aha. Magdilang anghel. Eh. Hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung kulay blue na yun. Ang dilim. Buti itim na lang. Itim. Black. Oh, okay, black. Pero blue, dark blue, parang madilim. Yan ba? Gusto nyo ba yan? Dark blue? Dark blue. So I walk instead of waiting the bus. Me annoyed waiting the bus. Thank you very much. Nakatambay dyan. Si Diskarte, tinambay mo sa iyong laptop. Kasi naka-steady 5 viewers. It means that nakatambay. Naka-steady 5 viewers. It means nakatambay kayo. Let's go. Sayang. Before, this is a completely Italian owner. Completely. Here, when I arrived here, completely Italian owner. But now, I don't know how much the percent of the crisis kasi. Crisis. I think French. Go, I don't know. Crisis. Very crisis. Dito tayo kasi. Umalis tuloy yung nakatambay yung sinabi ko. Uy, anong nangyari? Huh? What's wrong? Hindi talaga ako hindi ko kaya, walang payong. Tingnan nyo sila ako lang talagang may nagpayong dito. Yan naglalakad na walang payong, nagbisikleta. Pero mo, that is the fabrika. Very close, you see, because nobody can see what see. That lady walking with that umbrella. Napasok ng puntahan. You see, at the back, that is the fabric.